This is a Yanmar FX18 diesel tractor. Great shape. These are nice tractors. I like the F18s, the F20s, F16s, 15s because they're real easy to drive. The FX means it's a shuttle shift, so you push the lever to change the gears. You don't have to push the clutch in. 3-cylinder diesel, new loader, joystick controller, super low hours, 633 hours. 3-speed PTO. It's got 3 main gears plus these 3 gears here in reverse, so 9 forward speeds, 3 reverse. Great shape. Tires are in good condition. There's a little nicks here and there, but not bad for a tractor. Nicks like that on my car, I'd be a little disappointed, but not on my tractor. 5-foot bucket. That'll lift up about 800 pounds. It goes up 7.5 feet. So if you want to put something in a roll-off hopper, it will. Completely serviced. No oil leaks. This isn't a YNM. This is actually a Yanmar. So this hasn't been taken apart, sent to Vietnam. They spray paint everything, belts, hoses, everything, and put back together. This isn't like that. This, what you see is what you get here. Great tractor. Got a new seat on it. The seat was ripped up, so I put a new seat on it. So with the J-bar box scraper, those are optional. People ask sometimes about the PTO. That's the shaft down here. That's standard size. So if you wanted to rent something from wherever, your local rental place, like a brush hog or something, it'll fit on here. It's a standard size. Go ahead and start it up. See how it sounds. See, it doesn't blow smoke. It runs real smooth. See, it turns into the work. The lights work. Really well maintained. Great tractor. Perfect for up to probably 10 acres or so. Goes in and out of stalls real easily. And a lot of people have avocado groves. They have grown a lot of grapes. This will fit nicely down your rows. There it is. This is a Yanmar FX18 diesel tractor. The optional J-bar box scraper. If you want to see any other options that we have box scrapers. We have some used tillers at times, some post-hole diggers, which I don't have right now. You can go to our website and see other tractors too. It's at ToughTractors.com, TOUGH Tractors.com.